All right, I'm doing a $3 field agent gig at Sam's Club. That is definitely not going to be worth it. I have to take a picture of the whole aisle of cookies, whole aisle of crackers, snack bars, and nuts. I'm going to screen record it with my meta glasses, and you can decide if this is a side hustle you want to do. Not all gigs are like this, but it's good to know that some gigs are not worth it for $3. So let's do this. This is my local Sam's Club, the one that's only like 5 or 10 minutes away from my house. So the good thing is I know where all the aisles are. I know where all the products were. The products that I'm looking for are like in the middle of the store where they have the cookies and crackers and stuff. But the bad thing is I do not want to get noticed. I don't want to draw attention to myself. I don't want a manager coming up to me, because if I get banned, if I get kicked out of this store, it's going to be a good portion of my income gone from this app. I might have to update my resume and get a real job. So here are the cookies. When you're doing these shelf views at these clubs, the task is to take a picture of every single pallet. So get your pallet in the middle of the picture, take your pictures nice and clear, and stand at the right distance. There is a zoom. You could zoom out, so that's why I'm standing so close and I'm able to get the pictures. Use that zoom feature. And as you could tell, I'm not stopping. I'm kind of just scanning the aisle. I always keep it moving. I'm trying to get this done and out of here as fast as possible. There were some animal crackers. They weren't cookies, so I'm going to use that for the cracker section. Don't overthink it. If you're not sure about something, just do your best. If it's a cracker, if it's a cookie, it's hard to define. But just make sure your pictures are straight and you're following the overall directions. This app is not the most strict when it comes to approving them. So as long as your pictures are straight and you got the sections that they wanted, you should be okay. So now I'm going, scanning it, going down, taking these pictures, the animal crackers. So the task for this gig is the different products. You need to take a picture of the whole shelf, and then if there are any displays. So always look for the displays as you're walking. I didn't see any displays on that end cap, so I'm doing this other side of the cracker. And yes, this is a lot of pictures. Yes, it is taking long, and yes, it is kind of boring. But keep in mind, this same gig for $3, the same exact thing, would have been done already if it was at Dollar General, Family Dollar, CVS, Walgreens, Aldi, where they have much less products. But at Sam's Club, Costco, Walmart, they have like so many different products, so there's going to be a lot more pictures. The most pictures they're going to have you take of one section is 35, and I have hit that before here at Sam's Club. So get ready to take a lot of pictures. Just keep in mind that not every gig is like this. Some of the gigs are 1 or 2 pictures and you're in and out. Like, it's basically all you have to do is walk in and out of the store. This was not one of those easy ones. This one is kind of difficult, but once you get it down, it's, in my opinion, worth it. It took me about 6 minutes in the store for the whole thing, and then I had a Moby gig at the same store too, and then I had some more field agent at the Walmart across the street. So for me, it was worth it. So this part I'm speeding up because it is pretty repetitive. I'm doing the snack bars, and then the last section is going to be for like the nuts and trail mix. So it was annoying, was a lot of pictures, but in my opinion, it was worth it. And then I'm going to have to take a picture of a freestanding display when I'm done. So if this looks like a side hustle you want to try, click the link down below to sign up for Field Agent.